With the Plumber's Leak Detection Kit from LeakTronics, leaks can't hide. You'll hear it, you'll find it.
Yeah.
The kit includes a highly sensitive deck plate, a soil probe with a listening disc and magnetic disc, a pressure rig and a selection of plugs, a soft-sided listening disc for listening behind cabinetry and tile work, an extra pressure gauge, headphones, and LeakTronics highly sensitive LT1000 amplifier. It has metering technology, filtering, and volume adjustment on the front. Log on to LeakTronics.com to see the plumber's kit and to make purchases. See all of LeakTronics plumbing equipment and subscribe to our YouTube page here for regularly updated video content.